Good morning, happy Wednesday. I am Miss Sanders and I'm here to do some encoding with you. So you'll need your phonics folder and a dry erase marker. So before we start our actual encoding, we're going to do a quick review. So go ahead and turn this page over so it's just a white blank side. And I want you to tell me everything that we've learned this year that says A. What have we learned this year that says A? So you can get your marker and you can write everything we've learned that says A. Okay, you should have A says A, consonant E says I says A, there's that vowel team, and Y says A. Those are the 4 different ways we've learned this year that A can say A. You can go ahead and erase this side. Go ahead and turn your page back over. And we are going to start encoding some words. I'm going to encode the first one, and then we're going to encode 2 together, and then you're going to do the last one, like we've been doing. All right, I want you to watch as I encode the first word. The first word is talk. Talk. T-aw. I hear 3 sounds in the word talk. T-aw-k. All right. My first sound is T, which is T. My second sound I hear is ah. And we have learned that A-L, A-U, and A-W all say ah. Now in the word talk, I hear a k at the end, which I know is a K. And anytime I hear the sound ah before the sound k, I'm going to spell it A-L, and that L is actually silent. I don't hear the L in the word talk. T-aw-k. All right, and I'm going to write it on the line. Talk. All right, you're going to go ahead and do the next one with me. Here we go. The word is slaw. 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 S-l-aw. I hear 3 phonemes in slaw. So go ahead and take your marker. And you're doing this with me. I hear S, which is S. L, which is L. And then I hear ah. Ah. And if I hear ah at the end, most of the time it's going to be spelled A-W. Slaw. Slaw. All right, the next word, you're going to pound and tap this one with me. Halt. Ready? Halt. Ah, olt. A, olt. All right. I hear I know H says I hear ah. And if I hear ah before I hear a ol, like in halt, ah, olt, it's just spelled with an A. Ah, and then I hear that ol, t, halt. Halt. And the last one, I want you to do this one on your own. So I'm going to tell you the word, and I want you to pound and tap it, and then encode it in your boxes. The word is flaw. Flaw. All right. Let's check our work. Flaw. Ol, aw. I hear 3 phonemes in flaw. So in your box, or in your boxes, you should have F says f. Ol, L says ol. And then aw is what I hear at the end. And if I hear aw at the end, it's most of the time going to be spelled A-W. Flaw. So you should have it written on your line. Flaw. All right, let's practice reading these words together. Talk, slaw, halt, flaw. Great job. All right, you can erase this side of your page. All right, go ahead and turn it over, and we're going to do a sentence. And I want you to listen as I read the sentence twice, and then I want you to say it with me and count how many words you hear before you start writing. This will help you to remember what the sentence is, so it's easier for you to write. Okay, here is our sentence. Could you walk to the stall? Could you walk to the stall? All right, let's say it together and let's count how many words we hear. Here we go. Could you walk to the stall? I hear 6 words in that sentence. Go ahead and take your marker and you may start writing it. I'll give you a couple of minutes to write it. All right, let's check your sentence. Our first word is could, and could is a heart word. And we're going to capitalize the C in could because it's the start of my sentence. C-O-U-L-D. Could you, make sure I have a finger space. You is also a heart word. Could you walk? Let's pound and tap walk. Walk. W, A, K. All right, I know there's 3 phonemes. The first one is W, which is W. I hear A, but I hear A before I hear K. And remember, if I hear an A sound before I hear a K sound, it is going to be spelled A-L. Because we do not hear that L, but A-L together before the K sound says A. Could you walk to, there's a heart word, the, another heart word, stall, stall. So I know in the word stall, I hear the blend st. So I'm going to write st. And then when I hear all at the end of a word, it's going to be spelled A-L-L. Stall. Okay? Could you walk to the stall? And my tone of voice says that I'm asking a question. So I need a question mark at the end to make my sentence complete. Could you walk to the stall? All right, great job. That is our sentence for today. You may erase this sentence. And we do have a heart word, and we went over this heart word 2 weeks ago. But the heart word, so we'll do just a little review. That heart word is to. I hear the T in to, so I'm going to put a dot under it. And then ooh, and we learned 2 weeks ago that when I hear ooh in a word, it could be spelled O-O, E-W, or E-U. I'm sorry, not E-U, U-E. So if I hear ooh, it can be spelled O-O, E-W, or U-E. And I don't see any of those in the word to. I just see an O. So I know that this O does not follow or does not say ooh. So I'm going to draw a heart around it. To. All right, and that is the heart word that we are going to practice today. Great job today on encoding. If you click the next link, you can get ready for our heart word review. Have a great Wednesday.